Hey everyone, welcome back to ChapterCast, your go-to audio study partner for mastering ABA, one chapter at a time. Today, we're diving into Chapter 3 from the Cooper Applied Behavior Analysis textbook, Selecting and Defining Target Behaviors. Let's be honest, before we change behavior, we've got to know exactly what we're changing. This chapter is all about that crucial first step, choosing and defining behaviors that matter. Not every behavior needs to be changed, so how do we decide which ones to focus on? Social significance is the name of the game. We're talking about behaviors that improve someone's quality of life, like communication, self-care, and safety. Example: imagine a child named Maya who screams when she wants attention. Teaching her to tap someone's shoulder instead? Super valuable for her and her teachers. ABA is all about data. If a behavior can't be observed and measured, we can't analyze or improve it. That's why we define behavior in clear, observable, and measurable terms. Example: instead of saying Johnny is being disrespectful, we say Johnny talks over others during group time more than 3 times in 10 minutes. Now that is something we can track. There are 2 main ways to define behavior. Topographical definitions describe what the behavior looks like. Functional definitions explain what the behavior does or its effect on the environment. For example, hitting could be defined topographically as making forceful physical contact with another person using a closed fist, or functionally as any action that results in removal of a demand. Both are useful depending on your data and context. Here's your cheat sheet for solid behavior definitions. Clear, everyone knows what it means. Objective, no opinions allowed. Complete, covers all relevant examples and non-examples. Remember, if 2 people observe the same behavior, they should record it the same way. That's called Interobserver agreement, and it's critical. Ethical practice in ABA means choosing behaviors that help the client gain independence, respect their dignity, and benefit the stakeholders involved. Whether you're targeting tantrums or task refusal, always ask if this behavior change is meaningful to the person receiving services. So that's the power of Chapter 3. Before behavior change begins, we lay the foundation by choosing the right behaviors and defining them the right way. Whether you're preparing for the BCBA exam or just trying to make sense of your case notes, this chapter is a game changer. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to ChapterCast, and drop your next chapter request in the comments. Share this with your ABA study group. And remember, you don't have to read the whole textbook again. ChapterCast has your back.